In this video, I will be telling you how could you possibly change low volume size of pendrive to its original size. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, let me show you the size of my PD. As you can see, it is showing 8 KB free of 414 KB, as you can see here. Now we will try to resolve this problem. Cut these properties, cut this window. I will go to the start menu and I will type cmd. Run cmd as administrator, give it permission. Now here you have to type some commands. Type disk part and press enter. As you can see, now we are inside disk part. Now type list space disk. It will list all the disks present in your system. Reinsert your pendrive if it is not showing over here. As you can see, first is my hard disk, second is SSD, and third one is my pendrive. Now I will select disk 2, which is my pendrive, by using command select space disk space 2 and press enter. As you can see, disk 2 is selected and disk 2 is nothing but my pendrive, as you can see here. Now I need to clean my pendrive using clean command. Clean and press enter. As you can see, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now just close the command prompt. Now right click on this PC. Now click on manage. Here we have to find storage. Click on storage and get inside disk management. Now here, as you can see, our PD has successfully recovered its original size. Now right click to open new sample volume. Click next. Here you can select is drive letter. Click on next. You don't have to change anything. If you want to change name, you can do it. Click on next and finish. It will take some time to load and your PD will restore its original size. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Click the bell icon. As you can see, our system has detected our pendrive. Now, as you can see here, let's minimize this window, open your this PC, and as you can see, our PD is having its original size, which is nothing but 29 gigs out of 32 GB. Thank you very much for watching our video. Have a nice day.